Imagination Gallery. Thank you for joining. I'm so happy to see you all here today. Now I would like to introduce today's topic. Today, our Indian Heritage Painting series, we will experience the painting from the place known as the Land of God and Braves. It's Himachal Pradesh landscape scenery painting. Don't miss out this amazing painting and story. Watch this video till the end, because there is lots more exciting coming your way. Friends, look how far we have come with this Indian Heritage Painting series. Along with you, I also came to know about some of the lost and diminished Indian folk arts. I was able to share with you all my childhood memories through painting. Anyway, I always try this to share these happy smiles and joys with you. And together, I don't know how much, but I try. In fact, you know what happens? Do you forget the education and culture of your country as an artist? No, because an artist holds it in his bosom. Look at this. When I start talking to you, I don't remember anything. I have to say something about today's painting. Actually, this is very important. So today's painting will be a landscape painting from Devbhoomi or Veerbhoomi. Yes, we are talking about Himachal Pradesh. A family here in this painting who we can see, they are shepherds, also descending from the green valley of Himachal. And their companions are their sheep and goats. They are wearing traditional dress and jewelry. Walk back to the surrounding mountains. The oak, fir, juniper trees are witnessing their pathways. And the beautiful Himalayas are peeking in the distance. This is magical. Truly, the place of gods. That is why it is so beautiful and sacred. Let's go around this beautiful and amazing place and fill our memories with some positivity and happiness. Apart from teaching and learning paintings, let's fly a little differently through the windows of mind. It's nothing more magical and a little imagination like it. I know you will be with me. Himachal Pradesh, friends, is a state located in northern part of India. It has the maximum number of hill stations and beautiful towns with some breathtaking views of the Himalayas. When you think Himachal Pradesh, you imagine lush green hills, magnificent mountains, gushing streams, orchids ripe with fruit, snow-capped peaks, and so much more. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its beautiful views as well as adventure activities such as treks, paragliding, skiing, and so much more. Himachal is also, well known for its handcrafts. The carpets, leatherworks, shawls, paintings, metalwork, and woodwork are worth appreciating. Pashmina shawl is one of the products which is highly in demand not only in Himachal but all over the country. Himachali caps are also famous artwork of its people. And of course, as an artist, I cannot forget Pahadi School of Painting and Kangra School of Painting from Himachal. Friends, it is a state in India in the extreme northern part of the Asian subcontinent. It occupies a region of scenic splendor in the western Himalayas, offering a multi-textured display of lofty snow-clad mountains, deep bogs, thickly forested valleys, large lakes, terraced fields and cascading streams. Indeed, the name of the state is a reference to its setting. Himachal means snowy slopes and Pradesh means hills. The city of Shimla was the summer headquarters of pre-independence British viceroys. It is now the state capital and at an elevation of about 7,100 feet, one of the largest and most popular mountain resorts in the country. The fairs and festivals of the rural communities provide many occasions here for song, dance and the display of colorful garments. The Kullu Valley, known as the Valley of Gods, provide the setting for the Dussehra festival, held each autumn to celebrate the defeat of demon king Ravan by Prince Ram. And during this festival, the various temple gods are carried in procession in covered palanquins accompanied by bands of singers and dancers. Pilgrims from neighboring states and from within Himachal Pradesh itself converge in large number of worship at shrines of legendary antiquity. The town of Dharmshala has more recently emerged as a sacred site, particularly for Tibetan Buddhists. It was in Dharmshala only that the Dalai Lama settled after he fled from Tibet in 1959 in the wake of China's occupation of Lhasa. Aside from their festival and sacred sites, the Shimla Hills and Kullu Valley, including the town of Manali and Dalhousie, are popular tourist destinations, especially for outdoor recreation. Friends, the people of Himachal Pradesh, live a very simple life, where most of them are engaged in agricultural activities. All the people in Himachal Pradesh are very humble, sensitive and hardworking. Trained by their own Vedic beliefs, the natives appear to have remained secular from the modern trends. Their life seems to be revolving around the mountains and valleys, which they consider as their home. You should also take a tribal tour if you're in Himachal Pradesh and enjoy a totally different experience. The Himachali people, one of the important aspects of this state and also the true jewel of the state. Unless you are ready to give up on many of the modern facilities and comforts that are easily available in the city, settling in Himachal is going to be easy. It all comes down to whether you can adjust to the simpler and basic mountain life. Friends, the Himalayas is one wonder of nature that has intrigued us since ages. Every time you travel to mountains, you leave a part of yourself behind. Those misty mornings, towering mountains, cool breeze, freshness in the air, and a simple life. Who wouldn't want to live like that? Well, the scenic beauty of the state endures from the Shivalik range to the greater Himalayas. The green meadows, shining rivers and broad valleys, culture, legendary rituals and thrilling peaks offer Himachal Pradesh a fabulous travel destination. The state is popularly known as Devbhoomi Himachal, the land of gods, with the context of its spectacular landscape emphasizes its essence. The gift of natural bounty is the merge of religious significance and the origin of mythological legends. The diversity of nature and picturesque mountains is why Himachal Pradesh is the beautiful state of India. And here in Imagination Gallery, we always try with all our heart to continue this rich heritage and legacies to take forward. Of course, with you all. Let's celebrate the color of life with Imagination Gallery. enjoyed today's soulful journey to Devbhoomi, Himachal Pradesh? If you like our unique painting sessions, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Wishing you an amazing weekend. Bye for now.